Hello my friends, Mechanical Brain is online again and I have everything to shoot another great tutorial. I have a fruit, very tasty and juicy, I hope. I have a couple of pliers and of course I have some samples. And I have samples of a backbone weave. I don't know how did I pass this weave, because it's very beautiful and I just want to make a tutorial for it and to show you how to make it. It's very simple, but also it's stunning in my opinion. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, in the beginning let me tell a little bit about the rings that I will use for this tutorial. I use copper so-cut jump rings. I cut these rings by myself. And a little bit about the parameters of the rings. Well, the diameter of the wire diameter, it's equal to 1.4 millimeters. And I think that it's approximately 15 gauge AWG, something like that. And inner diameter of the rings, it's equal to 7 millimeters. That's approximately 0.27 inches. I will write in it like that, inches. Yep. Well, so AR comes to 5, I suppose. 5, yes, and 5, this AR is the best AR for the backbone weave. Yes, okay. Also, for those of you who might want to purchase some rings, I will put a discount code here and a discount link in the description of this video. I think it will be, let's see, 20% off regular price, and also the code and the link will work during the December, I think. Yes, that will be good. All December. Well, okay, now I will speak a little bit with my friend Fruit, and after that we'll start the tutorial. Okay, let's go, my juicy friend. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Let's start it from the beginning. We will need one open ring and two closed rings. Let's take this open ring, let's take these closed rings, and let's put these rings on this one, like that. Now let's close the ring. Okay, here we are. Small unit made of 3 rings. This ring should be rotated like that. See? And this ring must go around this eye, not into the eye between these 2 rings, this one and this one, but around. And also, it can be positioned like this, yes, or like that. We need to put it like that. Okay, now when you have positioned your rings correctly, you just have to put 2 open rings right here in the eye between these 2 rings and also through this ring here. Let's do it. So, first opened ring, like that. Let's close it. Okay, and now the second ring, also here, like that, like that. Let's close this ring. Okay, done. These two rings are at their place. So, you will have something like that. Now, see, you can't rotate these two rings, so they will take their correct positions automatically. So now we need another ring, open ring, and we will put this open ring again around the eye between these two rings, this one and this one. So it will go here and here, like that. Here. And here. See? Eye, and here is the eye between these two rings, and our ring goes around the eye. So now let's close it. Okay, this is our last ring. It's closed, shiny, pretty little ring. Now let's take two more rings, open rings, and again our open rings will go in the eye between these two rings, this one, and also through this ring. So let's squeeze a little bit this construction like that. Up, 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 up. Like that. Check, check. See, that's our hole, our place where should go two more rings. One ring and the second one through the same way. Like that. Now let's close it. Let's close these two rings. Okay, these two rings are at their places, and now again I think that you have the feeling where the next ring should go, and it should go again around the eye between these two rings. So here, here and here, like that. Nope. Oh yeah, correct. Here and in here, like that. Okay, now let's close it. Let's close this ring. So the ring is closed, and I think that you got an idea, so I will just add some more rings without any explanation, with a light one, I think. Okay, the next step, we got to add two more rings in the eye, like here. Let's close it. That's it, and another one. Let's close it too. Okay, now around the eye. Like here and here. Let's close the ring. Well, and this already looks like a very nice small piece of backbone chain. So that's all for today, folks. If you have any questions, then please ask. If you need rings, then just don't forget about the discount codes. And anyway, have a nice day. Happy mailing. Bye bye.